Morning everyone, how you all doing? Out for a stroll today, a bit more of a gentle stroll. I'm down here in Blue Anchor, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have a nice gentle stroll into Minehead and hopefully get a steam train back to Blue Anchor. So I've parked on the seafront, it's free parking, and I'm just gonna take my time. There's no rush. I think the first train, that if it is steam, it might be an old diesel, and I'm hoping it's steam. I'd much prefer the old steam trains. But anyway, guys, onwards. I'll take you with me. So, guys, the first part of the walk takes you along a heavily pebbled Blue Anchor beach here. And just having a look at this here, it looks like an old pillbox. You will get a bit of shadow in front of the camera, guys, because the sun is rising behind me. This old pillbox here looks like it's all full up with pebbles. I don't think you can get in there somehow, but I think there's a few of these dotted along here. Yeah, look, full of pebbles there. You could just about squeeze in there, but yeah. Anyway, guys, it's a beautiful morning. Really is stunning down here. Had a lovely walk out yesterday from Lynmouth up to Watersmeet, and I'm hoping today is going to be just as special. So we're on the England coast path here, guys. I'll follow the Acorn over to Dunster and that way back to Blue Anchor. Yeah, so as you walk along the first part of this coast path, guys, you will notice this train line there in front of me, and you're basically walking along with the line to your left. The Minehead over there in the faraway distance, that is where I'm heading. These pebbles aren't the easiest thing to walk along, to be honest, but I'm absolutely in no rush. I think this walk's going to take me about an hour and a half. I don't really care if it takes me 2 hours, I've got plenty of time. I was up really early this morning. Yeah, just a joy to be out. The surrounding countryside is beautiful here, guys. We've got another finger post here. That is Carhampton, 1 mile. Well, I'm going this way towards Dunster. I don't know if you can see that. The sun is very bright. Got a tiny little level crossing here. But we're going this way, guys. And thank God the pebbles have stopped. I don't quite know what this structure is here. We've got water coming out of this side. It's clean water. I mean, that must be part of the old bit, because that's a lot older than that, isn't it? So let's go around and have a quick look at this. Yeah, I reckon this was just like an old version of that one, perhaps. Obviously move the pipe at some point. Back up to the path, guys. Yeah, I'm starting to enjoy the walk now. I'm just looking across there. I've got Dunster Castle and the Folly up on the top of the hill there. The train line's sort of going slightly away from me now. And there's a station at Dunster as well. But yeah, I'm starting to enjoy this now. The path's a lot easier. Those pebbles do me in a bit, to be fair. It looks like the path is going to tarmac now as well, so even better. But yeah, beautiful open countryside to my left. And I've got the sea to my right. Is it sea yet? I'm not too sure. It's funny, like, because the further you go down, the clearer the water is. Down in Lynmouth yesterday, like I said, the water was blue. And morning. And yeah, you have to watch that. He's going along at a feral pace, bless him. But yeah, here at Blue Anchor, it's sort of changing between well, brown and blue, basically. Anyway, that's me gibbering onwards. Not sure if you'll be able to pick that out, guys, but that is Dunster Castle. Just in the centre of your shot there. I doubt you'll be able to make out that, but there is the Folly on the top of the hill there. So that's Dunster, guys. I am such an idiot. I keep turning around because I think there's somebody walking behind me. And I've just worked out it's I've got a bottle of water in me rucksack, and I sat swishing around. Sounds like footsteps coming up behind me. Oh God. Morning, sheeps. Got lots of sheeps and lambs here in this field. All got blue markings on. Hello. One of them's looking at me, thinking I'm a bit bonkers. Hey, probably right. Onwards, guys. Bit of a better shot of the castle there, guys, I think. And the Folly, if you can see that, is dead on the top of that mound of that hill there. There's a couple of huge container ships out in the channel there as well. I was watching them last night, you can see them really well from the my accommodation where I'm staying. Quite a big flock of sheep here, guys. Anyway, I'm not too sure how far this walk's going to be. I think it was about, I don't know, I did look it up. It said it should take about an hour and a half, but I think it's going to take me a bit longer. Yeah, so I've just consulted maps, guys, and it's further than I thought. It's 7.76 miles. I didn't think it was that far. I'm sure when I googled it the other day it was something like 5.8 miles. But I'm just sort of coming into Dunster now, and I would imagine that's sort of like the halfway mark, but I really didn't think it was that far. So good job we did leave early, I think. It's going to take me a little while, this. There's a castle slightly closer shot and the Folly up on the top of the hill there. This is turning out to be a really lovely stroll, guys. I mean, I'm taking my time, but I want to make sure that I get to the station in time to buy a ticket and hop on the train, come back. Another one of these pillboxes here, guys. You can't get in, it's locked. They've got grill over the front door there. I know my mate Martin, he'll be going, oh, go on, go in, go in. I can't go in, Martin. I can't go in. Yeah. It's all sort of Quite a special thing though, isn't it? Use the pebbles to build it. Anyway, onwards guys, I'm wasting time here, aren't I? So now on Dunster Beach guys, and there's quite a nice little beach. It's actually sort of sand, this part. And I know obviously when you get down to Minehead, that's sand. You've got all these beautiful holiday chalets all the way along the front here. What a lovely view they've got out to sea. Fantastic. Quite a long stretch this, guys. Yeah, this walk is a lot farther than I thought it was in the first place, but I am enjoying it. It's such a beautiful day. I'm gonna have to stop in a minute, take some fluid on and take my top off because it's incredibly warm. Morning. Yeah, so onwards guys. To this section alone guys, with all the chalets here, probably about 1.5 miles, I guess. So it's a fair old stretch here. But I'd love to have one of these. I bet they're worth a packet, aren't they? I mean, they're nothing to look at, but I wonder what the price tag is on one of them. I bet it's, you know, a fair old bit. Stunning views they've got. It's a golf course here, guys. And I've just got my first glimpse of the big tent at Butlins. So I know I'm not that far away. It's another one of these pillboxes here, or should I say bunker, ha ha ha, because I'm next to a golf course. Oh dear, don't give up your day job, eh there. So this is hole number 8 by the looks of things, next to this pillbox here. Anyway, keep following the coast path. Looks like I've got to go round a bit of headland here, so as me saying, the big tent is over there in the distance. The camera may not pick it up yet. I've got to walk right away round on this coast path, so around the golf course. So it's further than it looks. Just sort of past disappearing. Am I gonna walk through the golf course or what? I don't know. Oh well, walk along the edge, I think. It's nicer to walk on than whether I get told off. So my stepometer is telling me that I'm just coming up to 3 mile mark, so it's not going to be 7.76 miles. I reckon the 5.8 maybe. But it depends. I mean, I just put in Blue Anchor to Minehead, so it all depends on where in Minehead. If it's the centre of Minehead, then I'm probably not going there, am I? Because I'm going to the train station. So this bit's a bit rocky and tricky, guys. So I'm just going to look where I'm going in a minute. Yeah, I don't want to moan, but I think my poorly foot is had enough. It wasn't too bad yesterday. Bit of a shorter walk, I guess, but I think tomorrow I'll have a bit of a rest day and maybe just go for a sort of short stroll, maybe around Watchet or somewhere. Might go down to St Audrey's Bay waterfall, but because we haven't had a lot of rain, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, it might not be worth really going down there. I mean, it is a beautiful place, but you know, if we haven't had any rain, then there won't be a lot coming over the top, so I will decide later. I just come through a rather unpleasant bit. It's like really overgrown, brambles and all that. Come on, council, sort it out. So, got the big top butlins in front of us there. So I'm ever getting closer to Minehead, guys. I mean, look, guys, it's ridiculous. It's so overgrown. I should imagine this gets used quite a lot, but ow! Oh, it looks like it's going to be a little bit better in a minute. Ow, ow, ow. Right. There's Minehead over there. North Hill, I think that is, they call that. Tide on its way back in now, guys. Here we have the golf clubhouse with butlins behind it. The prom. All the way around there, guys, out towards the harbour. So I'm nearly there. Plenty of time to spare, no panic. And now we have gorgeous, proper sandy beach here in Minehead. So, go and see if I can grab myself a coffee and maybe a bite to eat. So right outside butlins now, guys. Minehead in front of us there. Hope you can hear me, guys. Like I said, I'm not on the wireless mic now, so I might have to speak up a bit. Perhaps that'll help. Anyway, up to the train station now, guys. Yeah, so this is the train I'll be going on, guys. We just need a loco now. Just preparing that and getting it ready about half an hour before I get on the train. That's going to take me back to Blue Anchor in comfort, hopefully. So today's train, guys, looks like it's the Lady of Legend. Well, the train is slipping, guys. Now look at it, the coast path that I walked on earlier. Fantastic, guys.
Bye.
Well guys, that brings me to the end of my video. Hope you've enjoyed it, guys. I've really enjoyed making this one. This has to be one of my best that I've enjoyed personally. I hope you've enjoyed it too, guys. So take care, stay safe, all the best from Somerset Man walking. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Cheers.